We're at Kiama Leagues Club. We're in the CBD of Kiama. Most of our clientele is local, but yeah, we do get an influx of the holidaymakers. So we're probably the best of both worlds. It's in the centre of town, so anyone can get here. We also run a courtesy bus, so people within a certain area of the club can get ring the club, and the courtesy bus will go pick them up and bring them in. It's good for families. They can come down, it's close, they can come down and have dinner. We have a really good bistro, and obviously downstairs we've got a nice little sports bar, so which has its own food. So a lot of people come in just for the meals. I've been here working here now about 2.5 years, nearly 3. Prior to my starting, there was a decision made to move an old area downstairs, which was previously a gym, that was turned into a sports bar. So that area was done when I first started here, and that was completed just over 12 months ago. And then we moved into our next renovation, which was our moving the gaming area out of the main lounge and moving it up into a sort of a new area. We do have two areas in our gaming area. One is our inside area, which is a non-smoking area, so people can't smoke in that area. So there's a number of machines in that area. Then we go through an airlock into an outdoor area, which is a smoking area, so people can actually sit out there, play the gaming machines and also smoke. Back in the day when it first sort of came in that you couldn't smoke inside clubs and premises, everyone just sort of knocked a wall out and made it the outdoor smoking area so they can put gaming machines out there. Now it's becoming more of an inside-outside sort of experience. So yes, you're sitting in an outdoor area, but you don't realise it because the decor and the planting and all that kind of stuff looks very similar to what's inside. So you don't realise you're outside. We have a designer that looks after us in regard to what we do. She's the one that makes the decisions in regard to design. I mean, I'm a guy. Some things look great to me, but probably not to a designer. So the designer comes together with the colours of the chair. So it even goes down to like the bases of the chairs, what colour they are compared to the actual chair itself. Those are things that the designer makes the decision on, and we just go along with whatever the designer says because she knows what she's talking about. It's important. It's very important having the right furniture. I mean, especially like in a gaming area. I mean, we want people to be comfortable. We want them to be sitting there knowing that the chair they're sitting at is sturdy and it's going to look up. They're comfortable. They're not going to fall out of it. I mean, I've been to some places where you see chairs that are nothing more than a stool. So that's not comfortable if you're sitting there playing the poker machines. To get something that's decent and that's going to last, and you don't want to be replacing your chairs every couple of years. I mean, that's silly. So you want something that's going to last a while, and at least 3 or 4 years. It's sturdy, especially in an area where sometimes people don't really care about them. So it needs to be sturdy, it needs to be rugged and able to put up with a little bit of roughness, as they say, and yeah, and it's all important. I mean, it has to be the right sort of materials, the right sort of yeah, make it look. It has to look good. It has to fit in with the ambience of the room. We were given a day that the furniture was arriving. It arrived at that day. We weren't ready to put it in the room that day, but it arrived on time. When we were ready to move it up and put it in the room, Nextrend turned up and did the moved it from where we had it stored up into the room. Some of our staff assisted, but majority of it was by the Nextrend team, and they moved them in. And yeah, no, service was great.